You've probably seen these popping up on the internet recently, so we decided to hop on the bandwagon and test out this TikTok hot chocolate bomb recipe. First of all, you'll need some good quality chocolate that contains a high percentage of cocoa butter. Since we're making a hard shell, you'll need to temper the chocolate to ensure it stays solid at room temperature. The easiest way to do this is in the microwave. By melting the chocolate in short bursts of no longer than 15 seconds, you're able to control the temperature, which is really important. You also want to make sure that your pieces of chocolate are all around the same size so they melt evenly. After each time in the microwave, stir the chocolate with a spatula. This will ensure that all the chocolate heats up at the same rate. Once it starts to get more liquid, measure the temperature with a kitchen thermometer. You want to make sure that the temperature never goes above 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Here we're at about 86 degrees, which is perfect. Continue like this until the chocolate has completely melted. This next step is optional, but will add a bit of sparkle to the finished product. We simply dusted the bottom of our silicone molds with a little gold and silver edible powder. We then used a clean paintbrush to paint a layer of melted chocolate on the inside of each mold. This method helps you ensure you get an even coat. After the first layer is done, put the mold in the fridge to set for about 5 minutes, then brush on a second coat of chocolate. After these have set in the fridge for another 5 minutes, remove them from the mold by lightly pressing your fingers on the underside of each half sphere to expose an edge of chocolate that you can then grab and pull out. An easy way to stabilize the chocolate while you fill them is to use the back of the silicone mold to hold them upright. Now you can fill the halves with a couple spoonfuls of your favorite hot chocolate mix and some mini marshmallows. Next, use a piping bag filled with melted chocolate to pipe a small line around the edge, then place another half sphere on top. There will be a visible seam, but you can easily hide this by rolling the edge in sprinkles or even crushed candies if you like. Once the chocolate dries completely, place one of the chocolate bombs in a mug and pour hot milk over top. The chocolate sphere will melt, causing the marshmallows and hot chocolate mix to explode out and combine with the milk. It's really cool to watch. Subscribe to Dished for more delicious recipes.